All right, so most of you guys who watch the channel saw that I crashed the red Coronet. That being said, I lost my runner. It was getting 28 to 30 miles a gallon. My 1 ton gets 18. Gas prices are like $5, diesel $6.20. So I decided instead of spending $60 a day on diesel, I should buy a burner car. And this is a burner car that I chose because I like 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual. Yes, this is a manual transmission. Front-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, piece of junk. But I knew it was a piece of junk when I bought it, but that's okay. I'm just going to burn through it. I'm going to drive it. My son's going to learn to drive in it because he gets his permit in a month. And it's gas, so it's $1 a gallon cheaper and should get around 30 miles a gallon. But when you buy a junk car, you don't just get to jump in and drive. Most people enjoy that jump in and drive party. The engine looks good. Everything seems to be pretty legitimate, nice. Like I'm not that worried. But whenever I buy a car, especially one with over 100,000 miles on it, I'm going to do all the spark plugs to make sure all the plugs are new. I'm going to be changing the oil. I'm going to eventually change the power steering pump, and the air conditioner doesn't work, so I'll do that. And I noticed the fans weren't working, and so I did buy a new electric fan because I got to make sure the car is cooled off and works. So when you buy a car that's got some corks to it, you don't pay what they're asking. They were asking $5,600 for this car. It's a 2014, and I was like, that's way too much, given that it's not perfectly good shape. So I talked them down almost $1,600-ish. I paid like $4, which is still pretty high to me because I'm very cheap, but it's not bad. With that, I will then spend about $1,000 fixing it to where I want it. So that way the air conditioner is working, the brakes work perfect, tires would be all brand new, oil's been changed, plugs are done, fan is working, so that I can make it reliable for about $5,000. That is the goal. And then hopefully it gets about 30 miles a gallon, and I run this thing for another 200,000 miles. Yes, 360,000. And I burn it. And if my son crashes it, I just pray we don't crash into somebody or another freaking deer. So that being said, that's the video for today. I bought a burner car. I've got a lot of work to do. I'll let you guys know in a short how it went. Here's to fixing cars.